All right, here he is all cleaned. We'll stick him in the fridge and we'll cook him up. We have our marinade for our snake. We have quarter cup of soy sauce, quarter cup of Italian salad dressing, some chili garlic sauce, and 2 tablespoons of brown sugar. And into the refrigerator overnight, and we'll cook it up tomorrow. All right, we're gonna cook up that snake. It's been marinating overnight, and I'm gonna cut it in more manageable pieces. There we go. Now, a lot of people say that this tastes like chicken. There's not a lot of meat here. It's all along the backbone. This is the way I like to cook it because people usually just fry it. Anyway, but people say it tastes like chicken. I think it tastes like fluffy kittens. All right, it's time to cook our friend. Now, he was just about 3 feet long. He had 6 buttons on his rattle. We're going to put him breast side down, and these aren't going to take very long to cook. Okay, it's time to check it. Again, there's not a lot of meat on this. If you like ribs, a lot of ribs. So we don't want to overcook it. Here's this little rattle. He had 6 buttons on him. We're going to go ahead and make sure we have some anti-venom at the ready. Okay, here we go. We have one thing a snake does have is all the meat's on the back strap. Yeah, this poor little guy didn't have a lot of meat on him. I started with a small piece first. It was good. All right, let's see if we can peel this meat off here. All right, folks. That was good. It really was good. I know I joke around quite a bit, but people say it tastes like chicken. To me, it tastes better than chicken. Well, I better have some of this snake bite medicine. Oh. All right, folks. It's another catch and cook video. I'm going to submit this for the Can't Challenge Alliance for the month of April. Join in on the fun. Just follow the hashtag in the title. I always appreciate you stopping by, and thanks for watching.